Hi, Teacher Rachel here. Today we're going to talk about adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns, meaning adjectives talk about nouns. Do you remember from our last video what a noun is? That's right. A noun is a person, place, or thing. We use adjectives all the time. For example, let's see. What's this? A cup, right? Cup is a noun. How can we describe this cup? The cup is blue. Blue is an adjective. This is a blue cup. Let's use another adjective. Look, I have an ice cream cone. Ice cream is a noun. Let's describe this ice cream. Is it yummy? Yummy is an adjective. This ice cream is yummy. I like to eat yummy ice cream. Let's do another example. Look at my octopus. Octopus is a noun, right? How does the octopus feel? Right, happy. The octopus is happy. Happy is an adjective. Now look at the octopus. How does the octopus feel now? The octopus is angry. I'm angry. Angry is an adjective. Happy, angry. These are adjectives that we use to talk about the octopus. Can you think of some adjectives by yourself? Remember, adjectives have to talk about nouns. Complete the exercises below about adjectives. I hope this was helpful. See you next time.